SGNJ Sugarcane Stubble Cutting Machine is foremost equipment for sugarcane cultivation. It used immediately after harvesting and prior to soil becoming dry. Tractor and PTO-operated disc-type stubble shaver available with an adjusting sheet to control the depth of operation. Extremely suitable for a tractor of 80 HP to 120 HP. Overall with 1300 mm and working with 1200 cm. Controls to install the fertilizer box. High-quality boron steel reversible blades. These self-sharpening blades cut the stubbles below ground level. Suitable for different sugarcane planting systems. Safety shield. Protects from stones and other objects thrown by the blades during field operation.